what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know.
Good morning, friends. We started out our day with some big storms and power going on and off. So for breakfast, we just did cereal so that I wouldn't be in the middle of cooking and the power go out. Lunch today was leftover lasagna, and we worked on cleaning kids' rooms because it just was not the kind of weather where we can go outside and do a whole lot.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling.
We are going to do fried chicken for dinner tonight. So I have a friend that swears that if you do cornstarch first, your chicken is crispier. So I'm going to dip it in cornstarch and then milk, egg, and hot sauce. And then over here I have flour, onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, salt, paprika, and Cajun seasoning, and a little bit of cayenne. And I'm going to use these chicken drumsticks to do our chicken tonight.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Made up some mashed potatoes, some corn, which is some butter in it, and then I boiled some water with some better than bouillon chicken, a little salt, pepper, onion powder, brought that to a boil, and then I whisked in a cornstarch slurry and thickened it, and that was our gravy for our mashed potatoes. And then James' dad gave us some potato salad that he got at Sam's Club and didn't love, so we are also going to add that on the side as well. And this is our dinner tonight.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down.
Thanks for coming along with us today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment so we can chat, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Yesterday has gone to sleep.